all that remains of the old mining town of Bennettville, California. A town pushed by promoters back in the 1870s, 1880s. Ample room for 50,000 people. Yeah, I don't think so. Very rugged, backside of Yosemite National Park. Very rugged terrain. There's the only two remaining structures in this town. Forest Service back in the 80s. Refurbished the roofs. These two buildings, one was an assay office, one was a stable barn type bunkhouse thing. Where I'm at was other structures at one time, which absolutely nothing remaining. Broken bottles, rusty metal, shit like that. Cans. Somebody stacked a bunch of relics here. We're in the high Sierras. We're about 8,000, or sorry, I keep saying 8,000, 9,900 feet elevation. There's Tioga Hill. It's about a 1.5 mile hike to this place from the Junction Campground off Highway 120 Tioga Pass in Bono County. There's remnants of a building foundation. Nothing left of the old town but memories of these two structures. Flattened out spot right here. Probably was a structure there at one time. This town never grew too big. It had a post office. It was counted being the highest post office in the state of California at that point. Let's go look at the assay office. Or the remains of the supposed assay office. There's all the nails in it are square nails. It's original wood. The only thing the Forest Service did the roofs. Because you get some heavy snow up in here. And the door. Got the modern door latch. You see here, these are all square nails. This is all original. The square nails of the door, I guess they just did the latch, maybe. Who knows? And here's some areas. Here's a sign from the Bennettville National Forest telling you don't mess with historical relics. There's a bunch of people have piled up in here over the years. Part of a stove. Here's the interior of the old assay office. Rafters. There's graffiti from vandals. People like destroying historical places for some reason. Beyond me why. This is inside of the barn slash bunkhouse. You're a YouTube star now, Mikey. Yeah, I've got to get this video done. Oh, they are too. Going up the stairs to the upper floor. Apparently, this part was the bunkhouse. Hard to see because it's pretty freaking dark in here. And you can't open these windows anymore. Shit, they got it where you can't open these damn windows anymore, Mike. Oh, you can open this one. Oh, no, you can't open. Oh, yeah. There we go. Here's the view of Mount Dana from the second floor of the old bunkhouse at Bennettville. Here's some more of the interior. Let me close this back up. Jesus Christ, are you kidding me? Look, it closed. Shit. Watch my foot in here. These boards are kind of far gone. Go back downstairs. Mikey and the pups. Another view of the barn bunkhouse structure. Down on the side here, we'll show you the historical plaque. But that's about it. The side of the structure. Nice pine tree. Gotta do the plaque. Call it a day. And here's the book. Welcome to Bennettville. Picture of the town back in the, I believe that picture was taken in the 1890s. Chooses to read this stuff. And there's the trail. The car. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe. This is North Towns of Nevada and California signing off.